Hi everyone, about to open up a Mega Evolution Ascended Heroes premium poster collection featuring my guy, Mega Lucario. Get 10 packs and a whole bunch of goodies and an awesome poster. Wish us luck. And look at this awesome promo card that you get out of that box. Mega Lucario EX. Card's a banger! Just remember to like, subscribe, and view it up, guys. Trying to get to 50 subscribers. Help a brother out. Thank you guys for watching. About to open up these 10 packs. Hopefully you're going to pull some back.